Hi there. These are the solutions to the semester 1 question paper. Looking at your attendance in college, I think it is best for me to provide these solutions online. So, without wasting any more time, let's start with section A of your semester question paper. So, the first question is this: the negation of P and Q conditional R is, and the answer to this question is D. It is negation P or Q and negation R. Uh, this is because if you negate P and Q conditional R, if you negate this, what happens is that first of all you have to use De Morgan's theorem. If you use De Morgan's theorem, you will get negation P or negation Q conditional R. Now negation Q conditional R will give me Q and negation R. So the answer should be negation P or Q and negation R. Negation P or Q and negation R. So I think it is option D. Let's move to the second question. Here, the answer here is determinant of A. And determinant of A, I guess, is -2. So the answer is -2, which is B. How here, whenever you have to find A times adjoint of A, remember it will always be determinant of the given matrix. So the determinant of A will be 4 minus 6, okay, which is -2. So whenever you have given A into adjoint of A, remember this formula: A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. This is the formula. So by that means K should be equal to determinant of A, and determinant of A in this case is -2. Next question is y is equal to sine of 2 sine inverse. Okay, the answer to this question is, first of all, what you do is put sine inverse of x is t. So what will happen is x is equal to sine t. Okay, if you put x is equal to sine t, then you have to remember a couple of formulas here. First is if you find out the derivative of sine of sine 2 sine of 2 sine inverse of x, it will be which is sine of 2 sine inverse of x is t, right? So sine 2t. So the derivative of sine 2t should be equal to cos 2t times 2 into derivative of t with respect to x. Now cos 2t, we know what is cos 2t. Cos 2t, the formula for cos 2t is uh, I guess it is 1 minus 2 sine square t, right? 1 minus 2 sine square t, right? So 2 times this divided by dt by dx. Dt by dx is the derivative of t. Derivative of t is sine inverse of x. So the derivative will be 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, now sine square t, because sine t is x, sine square t should be x square. So the final answer you should get is 2 times 1 minus 2x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, if you multiply 2 and take it inside, you'll get 2 minus 4x square. 2 minus 4x square. So it should be, the answer should be A. That should be the answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The answer for this question is 1 by root 2, which is C. Again, take tan inverse of x is equal to t. So if you take tan inverse of x is equal to t, you will get x is equal to tan t. But the value of x is 1, which means tan t is equal to 1. But we know what is value of 1 in tan. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So you can say tan t is equal to tan pi by 4. Cancel out tan and you get the value of t is equal to pi by 4 radians. Now the value of t is known. X is equal to tan t. So you can write y is equal to sec tan inverse of x can be written as, because tan inverse of x is t, you can say y is equal to sec t. So dy by dx will be equal to sec t tan t, right? And then dt by dx. T is tan inverse of x, so the derivative of tan inverse of x should be 1 upon x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square. So sec t times tan t divided by 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now wherever you have t, substitute pi by 4. Wherever you have x, substitute 1. So you will get sec pi by 4 times tan pi by 4 divided by 1 plus 1 square. So obviously sec pi by 4 is root 2, tan pi by 4 is 1, so it is root 2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 1 upon root 2. Next, the answer to this question should be plus minus 4c. This is the answer. Why? You should remember that for coincident lines, the condition is h square should be equal to ab. Now if you compare this equation with our basic equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. If you compare, you will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 1, and 2h is equal to small h, which means capital H should be equal to h upon 2. So now let's substitute it in this equation. You will get h square upon 4 is equal to 4 into 1, which is 4. So h square should be equal to, therefore h square should be equal to 16, or simply put, h is equal to plus minus 4. Alright, let's move on to the next type of questions, which is very short answer questions. Thank you.